If your ordinary snake plants could transform into a tall, luxurious indoor hedge that looks straight out of a designer home magazine. Most people keep snake plants small without realizing these tough plants can grow into towering green walls with the right care. Today, you'll discover 9 powerful secrets that help snake plants grow taller, fuller, thicker, and more dramatic indoors. If you want your home to look modern, elegant, and expensive without spending a fortune, these tips will completely change the way you grow snake plants. Number 1. Choose the right snake plant variety. Not all snake plants grow tall enough to create a hedge effect. The biggest secret is starting with the correct variety. Some snake plants stay compact forever, while others can grow several feet tall indoors. For a tall indoor hedge, choose varieties like Laurentiis, Elanica, Black Coral, or Cylindrica. These types naturally grow upright with long vertical leaves that create a dense wall of greenery over time. Avoid dwarf varieties like Honey because they stay short and compact. When buying snake plants, look for mature plants with several tall leaves already established. Younger plants can still work, but mature plants give faster results. The more vertical growth your plant already has, the quicker your hedge effect develops. Another important trick is planting multiple snake plants together in one long planter instead of keeping a single plant alone. Professional interior designers often cluster several plants tightly to create a fuller, thicker hedge appearance. Tall varieties also create stronger visual impact in corners, hallways, and beside furniture. They instantly make ceilings appear higher and rooms look more luxurious. Starting with the correct variety saves years of frustration and gives your indoor hedge the dramatic look you're aiming for much faster. Number 2. Use bright indirect light. Most people think snake plants thrive in dark rooms forever. While they survive low light, they only become tall and dense with brighter conditions. Snake plants grow fastest when placed near bright, indirect sunlight. A location near east-facing or south-facing windows works perfectly. Bright light encourages stronger photosynthesis, helping leaves grow taller, thicker, and healthier. Low light causes slower growth and weaker leaves that may bend or stay thin. If you want a hedge effect, your plants need enough energy to continuously push upward. Rotate your planter every few weeks so all sides receive balanced light. This keeps the hedge even instead of leaning toward one direction. If your room lacks natural sunlight, use LED grow lights for 10-12 hours daily. Modern grow lights can dramatically speed up indoor growth, especially during rainy seasons or winter months. Avoid harsh afternoon sunlight directly hitting the leaves for long periods because it may scorch them. Bright but filtered light is ideal. One of the biggest differences between average snake plants and giant hedge-style snake plants is simply better lighting. Number 3. Plant them close together. A single snake plant never creates a hedge look. The secret is density. To create a lush indoor hedge, place several snake plants close together inside one rectangular planter or large pot. As the leaves grow upward side by side, they naturally form a thick green wall. Professional landscapers often space snake plants only a few inches apart when designing indoor plant barriers. The tight grouping creates fullness and eliminates empty gaps. Choose a long planter that allows roots enough room while maintaining close spacing. Wide containers also help stabilize taller growth and prevent tipping. As the plants mature, they produce pups or baby shoots. These pups fill empty spaces and make the hedge even denser over time. The fuller the planting arrangement, the more dramatic and expensive your indoor hedge appears. This simple planting technique completely changes the visual effect of snake plants indoors. Number 4. Use fast-draining soil. Healthy roots create tall growth. Poor soil stops snake plants from reaching their full height. Snake plants hate sitting in wet, heavy soil. Root rot is one of the biggest reasons they stop growing or collapse. To encourage tall hedge growth, use fast-draining soil that allows oxygen to reach the roots. A great mix includes potting soil, perlite sand, or pumice. This combination prevents water buildup while supporting healthy root expansion. Strong roots help snake plants absorb nutrients efficiently, which directly supports taller leaves and faster growth. Always use containers with drainage holes. Even the best soil cannot protect roots if excess water has nowhere to escape. Healthy underground growth always leads to stronger above-ground growth. Number 5. Water deeply, but less often. One major mistake people make is overwatering snake plants. Too much water weakens roots and slows growth dramatically. Instead, water deeply only when the soil becomes almost completely dry. Deep watering encourages roots to grow farther downward, creating stronger and taller plants. When watering, soak the soil thoroughly. Let excess water drain fully. Never leave standing water in trays. During warmer months, snake plants usually need water every 2 to 3 weeks. In cooler months, even less. Underwatering slightly is actually safer than overwatering. Snake plants store moisture inside their thick leaves, making them extremely drought-tolerant. Consistent but controlled watering helps maintain steady upward growth without root damage. Tall hedge-style snake plants always begin with healthy watering habits. Number 6. Feed them. During growing season, snake plants may survive neglect, but survival isn't the same as thriving. If you want dramatic height and dense foliage, your plants need nutrients during active growth periods. Use a balanced liquid houseplant fertilizer once per month during spring and summer. This gives snake plants extra energy to produce larger leaves and faster growth. Avoid over-fertilizing because too much fertilizer can damage roots or create weak growth. Less is more. Look for fertilizers with balanced numbers like 10-10-10 or 20-20-20 diluted to half strength. Feeding becomes especially important when several snake plants share one container because multiple plants use nutrients faster. Well-fed snake plants grow noticeably taller, greener, and thicker compared to unfed plants. Number 7. Keep temperatures warm. Snake plants grow much faster in warm environments. Their ideal temperature range is around 70-90 degrees, 21-32 degrees. Warmth helps activate stronger root activity and leaf production. Cold temperatures slow growth significantly. If indoor temperatures drop too low, snake plants may stop growing entirely. Keep them away from cold drafts, air conditioners, freezing windows, sudden temperature swings. Stable warmth encourages continuous upward growth and healthier leaves. Humidity also helps slightly, although snake plants tolerate dry indoor air very well. Warm rooms often produce noticeably taller plants over time. Number 8. Remove damaged leaves quickly. A beautiful indoor hedge needs clean, healthy foliage. Damaged, bent, yellow, or rotting leaves drain energy from the plant and ruin the overall hedge appearance. Use clean scissors to remove unhealthy leaves near the soil line. This allows the plant to redirect energy into stronger new growth. Regular pruning also improves airflow and keeps the hedge looking neat and modern. Dusting the leaves occasionally helps too. Clean leaves absorb more light and photosynthesize more efficiently. Healthy leaves create that bold architectural look snake plants are famous for. A tidy hedge always appears fuller and more luxurious. Number 9. Be patient and let them mature. The final secret is patience. Snake plants are not instant-growing plants. Their strength comes from slow, steady development. But over time, they can become massive indoor statement pieces. Many people give up too early before seeing the real transformation happen. As snake plants mature, leaves become taller, root systems strengthen, more pups appear, the hedge thickens naturally. A snake plant hedge often looks dramatically different after 1-2 years of consistent care. The reward is worth it. Few indoor plants create such a bold, elegant, low-maintenance green wall. With patience, your snake plants can become one of the most impressive features inside your home. Snake plants are far more powerful than most people realize. With the right variety, brighter light, proper spacing, good soil, careful watering, feeding, warmth, pruning, and patience, you can transform ordinary snake plants into a stunning, tall indoor hedge. These plants don't just decorate a room, they completely change the atmosphere, making spaces feel modern, calming, and luxurious. Start applying these 9 secrets today, and over time your snake plants could become the towering indoor jungle centerpiece everyone talks about. And remember, sometimes the most beautiful indoor gardens grow slowly, but the results last for years.